Well, the original carb's still on it. Oh yeah, good afternoon YouTube. And remember, new viewers of T-Carb. The new carb is back, or well, the original carb is back on it. I did a little adjustment on it. I ran an actual new choke stove heater pipe into it. That is not the permanent setup. When the new carb comes in, it's going to be nicer. Right now I got my vacuum gauge hooked up. All my gauges hooked up. Well, vacuum gauge just disconnected. Got her time back set in. She's set 10 degrees before top dead center at idle. She's up on a warm idle right now. A lot quieter than what she was before. What you're hearing, a tack, tack, tack noise, if you can hear it, is actually the fuel pump cam when you're at, I just got done revving it, so it's building pressure back up and it's going into a bypass loop again. But yeah, you're hearing the fuel pump cam actually on the eccentric. But I'm gonna say that's a definite improvement over it was. I'm not getting the top end noise like I was before. She's got a nice smooth idle to her now. She's just got a little bit of hesitation, and I think that's probably just the carb. I think the carb is, I'm having to back the carb jet or idle control needle way out. I think this carb is over jetted like crazy. She's holding about 800 RPMs. Rip them at 890. So I'm gonna say that's a lot better than it was. Let's see what the dashboard looks like. Coolant temps came up to spec. Battery is charging. I'm not seeing any issues. Let's see what she sounds like when we rev her up a little bit. See if she's still got that little bit of stutter she had before. Still got a little off idle bog. If I get into her hard, doesn't seem like she has that problem. But yeah, I'm gonna say, yeah, that's probably timing, or maybe just a little bit too much jet. I might need to work on the jets, but I think I'm gonna end it here while I'm still ahead until I get the new carburetor in, and then we'll go from there. All right, YouTube, have a great day.